So what the heck is an Abugida? Hello, welcome to Light Linguistics. An Abugida is a type of alphabet where vowels are written as accent marks on consonants. They're different from true alphabets, which have distinct consonant and vowel letters like English has, and abjads, which have no vowel letters altogether. Abjads are very prevalent in India and Southeast Asia. Take, for example, the Devanagari script, which is used to write Sanskrit, Hindi, and many other languages. This base letter, which makes the puh sound, can have any of these red accent marks added to it to indicate a vowel following that sound. And these vowel characters are bound to these consonants, except under very niche circumstances. And many writing systems that, in their oldest form, didn't write vowels, like Hebrew, have developed accent markings like this to indicate vowels. I've got a poll up in my bio to vote for next week's topic. There's some exciting options. I've also started posting all my videos on Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. And like and follow for more language.